Welcome back to the Slough Life, the most mispronounced channel on all of YouTube. All right, today I had one of them ad-lib type of fishing trips. I actually come here because I wanted to bow fish. Last time I come here I didn't have my bow, and you know how that goes. There was carp just everywhere. So I thought maybe today I'll come bring my bow. I was wanting to shoot some carp, and I was going to actually take 2 or 3 of them, cut them up, and use them for catfish bait this weekend. Well, par for the course, I've seen 1 carp all day long, and it jumped behind my boat. So what I did is improvised and started throwing my cast net, and I caught several shad. A lot of them was really small, smaller than I'd like, but I did catch 4 or 5 decent sized ones. But what I wanted to show you guys is the best way to deal with shad. Shad do not do good at all in captivity. Like I said, I probably got 20 small ones in my live well right now, and I think 3 or 4, maybe 5 to 6 inch shad. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take them bigger shad out and put them in a Ziploc bag and get the air out of the bag, and then throw them right in my cooler. And I'm hoping all the small ones will survive the trip home. And then when I get home, I can put them in a separate Ziploc bag or several Ziploc bags. That way I'll have some shad for the next time I go fishing. Because the best way to deal with any kind of bait, if you can't use fresh, like you just caught it, you need to keep it on ice or freeze it as soon as possible. Especially shad, they'll break down real quick. And it's like I said, they don't do good at all in live wells. And like I said, if you watch my last video with my bait tank, they don't do good in the bait tank. They don't last maybe a day tops. So I'm trying to get these shad in a Ziploc bag, show you guys how I do it. All right, I got this 1 Ziploc bag. I wish I had more than 1, but that's about how it goes with me. Try to get these bigger shad out. I hope I can. My little minnow net broke on me the other day, and I haven't replaced it yet, so I'm going to have to try to grab them by hand. I'm going to try to grab them by hand, put them in this bag, dip the bag in the water and get all the air I can out, seal it up, and put it in my cooler. And some of them shad are already starting to float dead. They ain't worth crap. Well, here's one of them. Oh. Dang, slippery. Here's another one. This one of the little bigger ones. That one's decent size. Alright, we'll just go with this one. There's a couple bigger ones in there, but these will have to do for now. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is dip this whole bag in water, except for the very top. Try to get all that air out without getting any water in, like I just did. Dip it in water, it makes all the air come out of it, and then you seal it. And it's kind of like a cheap little vacuum seal. It's not perfect, but it's better than just putting them in there with a lot of air, because the air is what can kill you when you're keeping fish like this. And you just take them, put them in your cooler on ice, get you a cold drink out, and then head for the house for the day. Today was one of them making chicken salad out of chicken you know what days. But hey, I'm out here, I'm not at work, so it's a pretty good day. There's only good days and better days when it comes to fishing. All right, maybe this helps somebody. I'm like an idiot out here on a jet ski. Anyways, hope this helps somebody. I'll see you on the next one.